dust devil spin around. Take my broken dreams, pull me from this barren land where nothing's as it seems. Whirl me to the river where the water's running clear. Dust devil, won't you take away this cowboy's every tear? In the distance vultures fly, on the wind they seem to float, like remnants of his spirit from the letters that he wrote. Every tumbleweed the road speaks and whispers from the past, tales of laughter, love long gone, in the dust they're cast. Days blend into nights again, the horizon burns in gold. He's searching for that verdant place where love stories unfold. But the arid wind is ruthless, steals his hope away.